morning everyone, we're back at one of the best sandbar Canggu Bali guys. It's been really heavy rain all night guys, so this is a good sign. It will be a really offshore wind right after in the morning. So I'm super excited. Anyway, it's Wednesday 14 May as well, 3 feet. It's really fun pick out right there, as you can see. Definitely they're gonna score some really good one. It's really less people out there, probably 3 to 4 people out there. This is like a rare moment for sun, I guess. So you guys, 5 people out there, you guys definitely score some epic sunbat right now. Really last people, clean peak, glassy offshore wind, nothing better than this guys. So I'm gonna go filming one of our, hopefully everyone here. See you guys later. Let's go.